Hi everybody! Today we're going to learn about plants that live in the Sonoran Desert, just like we do. This is a saguaro cactus. It is only found in our desert, the Sonoran Desert. Saguaros can live up to 200 years. They are the biggest cactus in the United States, and they can have many arms growing from the main trunk of the cactus. Gila woodpeckers make holes in saguaros, and then when they leave, these holes are used by other birds, like owls, as homes. People and animals, like bats, birds, and insects, like to eat saguaro fruit. This is an ocotillo. A lot of people think that an ocotillo is a cactus, but it's not. An ocotillo is a large plant with lots of sharp spines. During some parts of the year, it looks like a bundle of dead sticks. But then, when it rains, it starts growing tiny green leaves again. Some people use ocotillo branches to make fences, and some even use flowers from the ocotillo to make tea. This is a prickly pear cactus. Prickly pears are a kind of cactus with flat green pads. They grow fruit that can be red, purple, orange, green, or yellow. The green pads and the fruit you see on top are a favorite food of javelinas, jackrabbits, deer, squirrels, and tortoises. People also eat the green part of the prickly pear, and they use the fruit to make jam, jelly, juice, and even pie. Small animals like pack rats and snakes enjoy the cool shade and protection of the prickly pear too. This is a barrel cactus. The barrel cactus is a round cactus that is usually small, although it can grow as big as 10 feet tall. It doesn't grow arms like a saguaro. A barrel cactus can live up to 100 years. Like the other cacti we've learned about, it grows fruit that animals like to eat, but it doesn't taste as good for people. This is a cholla cactus. You can find lots of different types of chollas around Tucson. All of them have sharp spines, so even though they may look kind of cuddly, like this teddy bear cholla, don't give them a hug. Another cholla, called a jumping cholla, doesn't actually jump. Pieces of a jumping cholla fall off very easily, so if you pass by, a piece may attach itself to your skin or clothes. Chollas make a great place for birds to make nests, like this cactus friend has done. Isn't that nest cool? This is an agave. This agave plant looks like a cactus. It has spines like a cactus, but it's not a cactus. Some people use it to make agave syrup that's sweet like sugar. Some agaves have large stalks, like giant stems, that grow from the middle of the plant and then bloom. They can be 30 feet tall. Butterfly and moth larvae like to eat agave. This is an aloe vera. Aloe vera looks a lot like agave, but it doesn't get as big. It has smooth leaves where it stores water. Each leaf has pointy spines along the edge. Inside an aloe vera leaf is a clear, squishy gel that's used for lots of things, like helping with sunburns. This is a mesquite tree. Mesquites are large trees with yellow flowers in the spring. Their roots go down very, very deep into the ground to find water. They can live to be quite old. In fact, there's a tree that's growing east of the main ranch house at Agua Caliente Park that is believed to be about 200 years old. The seeds of mesquite trees, called pods, can be dried and ground into flour. This is a palo verde tree. Palo verdes are easy to spot in the desert. In Spanish, palo verde means green stick, so just look for the trees with green trunks and branches. Some can be really big as 30 feet, and they can live for hundreds of years. During the spring, they drop lots of yellow flowers on the ground. People eat the seeds and the flowers of palo verde trees. We hope you learned a lot about some of the amazing plants we have here in the Sonoran Desert. Which ones will you see on your next neighborhood walk?